And the total is, what did you have?
Wait. What's going on, Perucci gang? Back this week. First things first, we got sponsored by Ignite Coffee. They have 4 main origins that they roast: El Salvador, Mexico, Ethiopia, and Honduras. Very good coffee. Link's gonna be in the description. If you forget, just look at the pictures of a car on Instagram. Now, this week we are gutting the car, prepping it for the cage, and we're gonna also see how much weight we can get out of the car today. So we're gonna go through, pull stuff out, weigh it, and we're gonna add up a tally of everything we've pulled out. Let's get to it. We're gonna have a bet. 185 pounds. Out. Gone. I'm saying 135.
135?
Yeah. It's gonna add up quick, man. We have the difference between the cats and the test pipes, plus just all the random stuff, the bracket from underneath the transmission that hold the cats on there, plus everything back here.
Don't forget about the spare tire.
The spare tire, the ginormous nail we found in here, the floors, headliner,
Carpet.
140. 140 is my bet.
Oh, adding up now, huh?
Oh, a watch. That's way gonna add up. See the giant nail I was talking about? Look at that. Imagine running that over. X is gonna be scrounging.
I told you,
That's at
bro.
least 40 pounds. It's a fucking tire. Thought it was because it was just, my Honda one's not this heavy.
That's because it's a Honda.
She's gonna be like picking up all these leaves.
Honda. Slanda. You're never gonna try to put it back together, are you?
I mean, it's gonna be a race car, right?
Sell it as a race car?
It's either gonna be sold as a race car or it's gonna be totaled as a race car. That's what I could do. A regret sale. You regret gutting your 350Z? I have all the interior for you.
What does tuberculosis feel like?
Feel my shoulder.
What the? Oh, that's tuberculosis. Ah! Yo, what is that?
We'll cut that out because that's pretty offensive.
Isn't that just a virus?
Yes.
It's not a bad deal.
Almost done with the back. Look at all that stuff.
You don't need that.
If you guys didn't notice these really cool shirts, we got these today actually from one of our friends, Henry. He sent a ton of them over.
Hey guys, what did we do today?
Work.
No.
Put an offer in on a house.
What was that?
We put an offer in on another house.
Woo! So what's next?
This whole area and the headliner, and then the floors.
And then what's next with the house?
Oh, the house?
They're gonna accept it.
They'll accept it hopefully soon. And then
Renters.
needs a little love. And then renters.
I suppose I got that out of order. And then on with the next.
It needs a few kissies.
Kisses.
Needs a little smooch.
All right, sounds like a plan. We'll check back in later then.
Cat.
Cat! Oh my goodness. Feel this. That's this piece that went in the little glove compartment. It's like 4 or 5 pounds.
Oh, wow. What he doesn't know is that I've stuffed a bunch of these parts with sand and some other goodies so that I make sure that I get my bet.
Oh, airbags are right here.
Tug on it.
That's pretty heavy. Busy working?
Working hard.
I don't know what this was, but it's very fancy.
My foot, oh. So first thing on the list, floor mats and carpet.
You're losing some of my weight.
And the total is, what did you have?
Wait.
What was yours?
140.
What was yours?
185.
It was 135.6.
No, bullshit. Once it's actually gutted with the passenger seat out and the rest of the dash.
It'll have two race seats.
Winner, chicken dinner. That's all I'm saying.
I need to order some really heavy racing seats. Alright, Perucci gang, thank you guys for watching. This has been a fun experience. I'm pretty surprised at how much weight we got out of the car with leaving the door panels and the seats in there. Those are going to come out eventually, but that'll be a lot of weight. I want to thank again our sponsors, Ignite Coffee. Great product. I'm very impressed with what I've had so far. They've given us the opportunity to try all 4 of the origins that they carry currently. El Salvador is my favorite, and I also want to point out that we got this coffee 2 days after it was roasted in the mail. And they are 4 states away from us. The coffee is very fresh, and if you want to try any 4 of these origins, click the link down below and order it. We are very thankful for all they've done so far to help with this build. Which brings me to my next point. I want to thank everyone that has subscribed and goes out of their way to make sure they're subscribed and likes our videos. Make sure to follow us on Instagram. There's 2 days left to purchase our limited edition shirt. And thank you guys again for watching.
Cat.